check escalating to physical arrestation. Undisclosed residential property, United States. As recorded in source Bodycam footage, agency law enforcement officers responding to a missing person wellness report.
Hello.
Hello. So there it is. What? You returned home, right? Alright. Good call. I guess you were missing and we had to come check on you and make sure you're okay.
Home yesterday.
I stayed at night at somebody's house.
Okay. Where you been staying?
That was only one night.
Alright. Is mom here?
Oh, I'm the guardian.
You're the guardian? Okay.
You got me as short-range short supervisor. 10-4. I think they're 26 right now. Okay.
Alright, well, Ladarius, you gotta come with us.
No.
So the 20
Come on,
noise
buddy.
and 8 is the signal
That was so
4
unnecessary.
and 30 time lapse 10 minutes or so.
Stop fighting.
10-4 hold.
Stop. Take a breath. You're fine. You're fine.
40 dispatch, I'll be in front of my computer in a few minutes and I'll start finding you in a second clear. Any calls that are holding for like an hour or more, if we can refer them to our online reporting, that'd be great.
Can you let go? That right one. Stop.
64 seconds.
Let me go, bro.
Can you give us a reading for a second?
Oh my God.
Turn that on.
Oh, sorry. I just got a double up. Get off me, bro. Get off me. Stop. Can you just stop?
My knee is not on him.
Stop moving, Ladarius.
My knee is not on him.
I'm just trying to double lock the second one. He's almost good.
Please, just get out, listen.
Don't walk.
This one's not double locked.
Thank you, 103 dispatch. Traffic from my company.
But however,
Jesus, Mary, Joseph.
Walk to the car.
oh my God, man.
Step up.
64, 42 to 64, 54.
Come on, just get in the car, dude.
Yeah, we're 53rd, got a crowd out here.
You want me to get on the other side?
Are you at 3? I'm out of 1. Clear. 10 clear out of 1. 6140 is out on 31st. That was 640.
He hasn't been searched. Stop, buddy. Come on.
No, you didn't have to be on him like that.
Well,
Listen, let me tell you something.
he has multiple warrants.
I bet he do. I bet multiple warrants. I bet he do.
Okay, but
This the lane he want to be in.
I can
listen.
guarantee you I wasn't hurting him. Okay.
well, at least you get it.
We have to control him.
Look.
You can say what you want.
We have to control him. Okay. We have to control him.
I understand.
Yeah.
But it looked like you was on top of him. That's all I was asking you to do was get off.
And I was not.
That's what it looked like, so I was just trying to.
I was not.
Don't get that.
And you'll see on your.
Listen,
Oh, he black.
Yeah, you go ahead and help him. Yeah. Stop. Hey. Relax. Stop. Just relax. We're gonna sit here all day until you calm down.
I don't give a f*** about you, bro.
Okay.
I hate that lady, bro.
You can start doing the signal.
Bro, let me go.
I'm just getting fixing the circuit.
Get the f*** off me, bro!
Dispatch 615, can you back one back? Copy 22 civil. So 2152 5th Street, Southeast Avenue, eastbound. Open for caller tow truck
Stop. Hey, just stand up. Are you gonna scream all day, or how's this gonna work?
Yeah, you can take him straight to the jail. He doesn't need that.
I can get this bucket.
Bro, let me go, bro! I hate that lady!
Yeah, I'm good. I got it. You need help with?
We are.
I hate that lady, bro!
I appreciate you. I don't know if it's gonna help. He's making all these decisions right now.
Listen, play. Ladarius, stop doing that. Because guess what? You're making it worse for yourself. You're making it worse for yourself. Joy, when you get there, you're going to end up in the body. You going boy, calm down.
Stop.
Exactly. Cut that shit out. But you be up in here acting all hard. Calm down. Calm down. You mad. They not hurting you.
He's gonna be transported to
They
the
not
jail.
hurting you. Stop doing that.
Right?
Stop doing that.
The minimus phone?
You gonna end up getting
No.
Listen, he gonna end up getting hurt. But the shit he doing was charged with this.
Just chill.
I'm gonna get him out of here.
Yeah, let's see, you going?
Yeah,
Yeah, I don't my car, sorry.
Secure Tenneco. Here's the timeline. About 20 minutes now.
You can pick up tomorrow, though. But you can get out right tomorrow, though. You can get out right tomorrow, though. So just come on. Bro, just chill. I just not call police.
We're laying low with both parties at this point.
Just chill. You can be out. You can be out in the next 24 hours. Just calm down. You know you is. You know Auntie's gonna come pick you up, so I don't know why you're doing all that. Calm down. You know Auntie's gonna come get you, bro. Calm down.
Advising is possibly a
Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Just close the door. And if he starts acting like that, then just, at this point, then y'all shoot when y'all get out the car. But just don't touch him. Because he's gonna freak out and frolic if y'all touch him. He don't like being touched.
Let's go wherever you guys are.
An officer of Verbride private residence after a family member reported the subject identified as Darius had not returned home. Now, what began as a welfare check escalated into a physical takedown, prone restraint, and custodial arrest, raising serious constitutional questions. Legal Epshu 1 Fourth Amendment. Seizure authority doing a wellness check. The Fourth Amendment prohibits unreasonable seizures of persons. A wellness check does not by itself authorize physical detention. The officer's command, "You've got to come with us," transformed the encounter from consensual contact into a seizure. Under Hentorzy, Ohio, U.S. 1, 1968, a lawful investigative detention requires reasonable, articulable suspicion of criminal activity. A missing persons report is not evidence of a crime. The legal predicate for compelled detention was therefore legally tenuous at this point. Legal issue 2 flight and probable cause. That when the subject fled the porch, the legal calculus shifted. Tune in thousand. Unprovoked flight from law enforcement in a known context is a relevant though not standalone factor for reasonable suspicion. Flight alone does not establish probable cause for arrest, but it may justify a brief investigative stop and use of proportionate force to effect it.
Are we charging you with resisting?
Sorry, just walked in. I don't know. He wants us to for the use of force. I don't care about it, like, ethically. I mean,
I'm okay.
yeah, but if he wants it attached just for use of force.
Is this first property?
Let's figure out if it's working for just use. Oh, but you clearly got it. If you want it for use of force,
So basically what happened is the second he said, okay, you're coming with us, he darted left off the porch. I wrapped my arms around his waist and kind of like took him down. He landed on his stomach on the ground. I just sat on his hips and legs. He had his knee on his back, just trying to control. Continued to resist, and we got him in handcuffs, and then just a lot of kicking and screaming and tantrum.
take down in a pen.
That's for the 3 of force for Connor Stendard. Under Graham v. Connor, 490 U.S. 386, 1989, the Supreme Court established a 3-factor objective reasonableness test for use of force. 1. The severity of the crime at issue. 2. Whether the subject posed an immediate threat to officer safety. 3. Whether the subject was actively resisting arrest or attempting to flee. All 3 factors must be weighed from the officer's perspective at the moment of force. Here, predicate was a check, not a criminal offense. Factor 1 weighs against the degree of force applied. The subject fled but showed no weapon and posed no verified threat. Factor 2 is legally ambiguous on these facts. That, if resistance was documented, the subject continued to struggle after being taken to the ground. Factor 3 partially supports the force used. Legal ipsu for prone restraint and positional asphygia risk. The officer's own account confirms pro-restraint. Subject face down, officer's weight applied to hips with a knee placed on the back. Under post-commission standards and use of force guidelines 2016, prone restraint with sustained pressure on the torso carries elevated risk. A prone's positioning can cause positional asphyxia, a documented cause of in-custody death, as recognized in multiple Federal Circuit cases. Once handcuffs are secured and resistance ceases, continued prone pressure may itself constitute excessive force under the Fourth Amendment. Legal of handcuffing proceding. The officer verbally confirmed double-locking the handcuffs, the procedurally correct technique that prevents the ratchet from tightening further. This step is consistent with standard detention doctrine and reduces exposure to claims of injury caused by over-tightened restraints. Information on Bodycam is also significant. It creates a documented record of proper technique, which may be used defensively in civil litigation. Legal ismic 6 resistance charge and lawful arrest predicate. The officer's question, are we charging him with resistance, reveals the arrest charge had not been established prior to the use of force. Under most state statutes, a resistance charge requires proof of 2 elements. 1, a lawful arrest was being made, and 2, the subject physically opposed it. If the initial order to accompany officers was not supported by probable cause or a lawful warrant, the arrest itself may be unlawful, defeating the resistance charge. This is the core legal tension. You cannot charge resistance to an arrest that was not yet legally authorized at the moment the subject fled. That's USFTCC 1983 C Civil 6 Boucher. The statement, "I don't want us to justify the use of force," is among the most legally significant utterances in this footage. In a civil rights action under FUSC 1983, plaintiffs must show that officers acted under the color of law and violated a constitutional right. This statement, captured on Bodycam, could be introduced by opposing counsels as an officer's own admission that the force level may not have met legal standards. Officers must understand. Bodycam audio is a legal record. Every on-scene statement is potentially discoverable and admissible in court. Key lessons from this incident. Lesson 1. A wellness check is not an arrest warrant. Compelled detention during a welfare call requires independent legal authority. Lesson 2. Prone restraint must be reassessed immediately after handcuffing. Continued pressure on a secured subject elevates constitutional and physical risk. Charging decisions must be made before, not after, force is used. Retroactive charge construction to justify force is legally and ethically unsound. That's force. Every word spoken on Bodycam is part of the evidentiary record. Statements of doubt about force made on camera become exhibits in litigation.